Hello, everyone. We are just going to go over how to save our file now. If you look up in the top right corner here, there are some different options. And we want to click on the orange disk option. So when I click that once, it basically asks me, where do I want to save this file? And you want to save it inside this CHR file. You can see here's the CHR file on the side with all of our files in it. So it should automatically take you there. I'm just going to call this Mr. Piggy. I'm just going to hit enter and that will save it. You can see Mr. Piggy pops up right there. You can see now I can access. If you click on these files, you can see there's a lot of different files on here that you can actually check out and recreate and build or take apart. I'm just going to go back to my Mr. Piggy file because that's the one that we are looking at. Now your file is saved. That's awesome. But let's say you want to take your file out of here and place it into a program like Unity or Blender or Mixamo or something else. We want to save our file not as a .vox file, but as an OBJ file. And down on the bottom, there's a little thing that says export here. You want to click on the little arrow so it pops up all your options. And you want to click on the OBJ option, the object file option, that top one. So click that once. And then it will ask you where do you want to save it. I generally like saving things to my desktop so I can find them easily. Secondly, you want to create a new folder that you save everything in. I think it should have 3 files in it. In a Mac, I think it's a similar thing. It asks you if you want to create a new folder. So you click on new folder and it asks you what do you want to name it. And I'm just going to call it Mr. Piggy. So I know where he is. I'm just going to, you can see I have Mr. Pig there. So Mr. Piggy, I'm going to hit enter. And this will save the OBJ file and its other contents in that file folder. Oh, okay. Let's see why it did that. Maybe I have to just try and change the name a little bit here. And oh, sorry, let's enter the file. So double click on the file, enter it, and then click save here. That was the mistake I made. Okay, so that file should be saved. I'm just going to minimize this and Mr. Piggy file. It's got a lot of stuff on here right now. So there's Mr. Pig. That's not the one I want. Oh, there it is, Mr. Piggy. It's way down here. So I'm going to pull that out so you can see it. I'm going to double click on that file. And my file folder is pretty messy. Let's double click that. You can see inside this file, it has the object file. It has the MTL file, which has all the information that you then attach the PNG file onto, which is going to be your images or your image. Yeah, so it has 3 files in it. And these are the ones you can use in Unity, and we'll be going over bringing these into Unity. Okay, hopefully this has been helpful. And yeah, that's how you save your VOX file and your OBJ file for Magica Voxel.